air fryer fish recipe. So let's begin. Here's our fish, some breadcrumbs, lemon pepper seasoning, egg, garlic powder, salt and paprika powder. We're gonna take a fresh bowl and add the breadcrumbs. Then add the lemon pepper seasoning. Then add salt, paprika and garlic powder. Now using a fork or a whisk, mix everything evenly. Just whisk nicely so that everything is combined and then keep this mixture separately. Now let's prepare the fish. Let's whisk one egg using a fork. Once the egg mixture is nicely whisked, then take the fish fillet and put it in this egg mixture and coat it on both the sides. Just making sure that we nicely coat on both the sides of the fish. Once that's done, take it out and put it into the bread mixture that we just created, and we will do the same. We are going to coat the fish on both the sides, making sure it's evenly and nicely coated. Well, I started to coat the fish with a fork, but later on I used my hands because that's easier for me, but you can go ahead and use a fork or a spoon to coat the fish. Once that's done, just remove the fish fillet and keep it into a clean plate. Similarly, coat all the fish and keep it on the same plate. We'll air fry the fish now. Take the air fryer basket, line it with a foil and place the coated fish. Now mine was too big, so I just placed one fish fillet in it and I sprayed it with some olive oil. Now let's take the air fryer basket and put it into the air fryer. My air fryer comes with a separate setting to cook the fish, so I'm using that for now. But if yours doesn't, just cook it at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Once that's done, remove the fish, turn it over, spray some oil and cook the other side, making sure both the sides look golden brown. So our air fryer fish recipe is ready and we are serving it with cucumber avocado salad. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.